Corn School is brought to you by BASF and Pride Seeds.
So one of the questions growers are asking right now in terms of corn production and disease management is fungicide applications, and particularly the timing. And what we've seen over the past number of years, both in Ontario and other locations, is when you look at those two timings, particularly that early season application, which would be a 6-7 leaf application, that V6, as well as that tassel application. What we've seen consistently in terms of yield response or return on investment to the grower, that payback in terms of money in your pocket, the best timing continues to be that tassel application. Those earlier applications, we may see a 2 to 3 bushel increase, but by far the best application in terms of return to the grower has been that tassel application, where we see a 7 to 8 bushel increase, and that's been over a number of years. And this trial, actually, we're standing in front of a trial here where we're looking to build on that information that we already have in terms of timing and disease management and fungicides as well. So this trial here is part of what we call the Corn Disease Working Group. Ontario, myself, Dr. Dave Hooker at the University of Guelph Ridgetown campus here, as well as colleagues in the U.S., mid-central U.S. in particularly, are looking to build on those recommendations and make it the return on investment to the producers more consistent over time. And so with this trial, we're going to be looking at different fungicides. We've got 5-6 different fungicides. We've got 3 different timings. We've got that early application, that V6 application. We've got that tassel application, and we've even got some where we've got double, that early V6 as well as that that tassel application. Again, we're trying to build on that information, make it more consistent, and basically trying to help the producer target their fungicides where they're best needed. And so as growers are out there now and trying to make that decision, should I be applying a fungicide now or wait? Think of these things first of all. So think about it in terms of your whole integrated pest management program and what you do from day to day, and what the companies and others have been promoting as well. Start with your hybrids. Is your hybrid considered a more susceptible or tolerant variety? Remember, a more susceptible variety will be more prone to more disease than a tolerant variety. As we're standing here, you can see we've purposely selected this field because it's corn on corn. More residue, all of those things. So rotation, corn on corn, increases our potential for disease risk. More residue, all these different fungi that we're thinking, these pathogens, many of them, they just love this stuff. They just love the residue. They survive. This is how they survive from year to year, and this is how they promote their risk for you. So from year to year, they survive, and they also, the more residue, the greater potential risk you have for these different diseases developing. And again, the environment. This year's been it's been cool, wet. It's been very frustrating in some cases. We've lost a number of different trials this year. It's overcast today. These are great weather conditions for many of these foliar diseases. So consider all of those factors and others. So consider fungicides particularly. It's just another tool in your IPM toolbox out there. And with considering these factors and these risk factors and timing them correctly, and again, of course, scouting. We don't have any, we haven't inoculated these trials yet, but you can see they're very clean right now, with very little disease in these. Again, that's another reason that those early applications probably wouldn't be very effective under this particular situation. So you've got to be out there scouting. You've got to be out there being aware of what diseases are present. So when you're out scouting, particularly before tassel, look for things such as northern corn leaf blight, common rust, eye spot, a number of other foliar leaf diseases out there, and those will help you in terms of getting the biggest bang for your buck with your fungicide timing.